Okay, now that we've got the content in place, let's work on the formatting. And this is basically just like formatting any other FrameMaker paragraph using the paragraph designer. So first thing is we want to set a tab stop. So we'll bring up the paragraph designer. And actually the way I like to do this is instead of going numeric in the designer, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just start by clicking in the ruler here. And the minute I click, what happens is that course flies over. So it gives me a little distance between the content and the page number. So what I'll usually do is I'll just scroll over and I'll drag this over to the right. I'm assuming that I want to right align these. And the nice thing is when I bring up the paragraph designer, that'll give me a target for the stop. So let me double click on that and I'm going to make it right aligned. I'm going to put in some leader dots, and I think we're probably like I think that's probably 486. I like to work in points instead of inches, but you can work on however is better for you. Continue, and then I'm going to say update style. Let's just take a look at that. I'm just going to zoom out here, pressing escape ZZ to give me 100% zoom. And yeah, that looks good. That's pretty much how I want it as far as the tab stops. And then I'll maybe add a little bit of space around these. So I'll go with let's do space above. So let's just do 6 points. See what that looks like. Yeah, that's pretty good for now. Actually, let's change the typeface too. Let's make the typeface match the rest of the document. So I think we're using tree bucket here. Update style. Yeah, and then let's hide the text symbols. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So, you know, again, this is just normal formatting. Now, if we do go to the reference page, we'll take a look here. And you can see that the formatting carried over onto the reference page. So, as we mentioned in a previous video, it's always useful to separate content from formatting. So initially we dealt with the content, we got this paratext building block, we've got the literal tab character, and then we've got the page num building block. And now in this video, of course, we've determined how we want it to look.